Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Christmas nail tutorial or Christmas colored. I don't know. It's going to be red nails, y'all. It's going to be red nails and I'm going to attempt to do marble using the Sharpie method. So this one's probably going to be edited a little bit differently. I want to kind of just speed through the painting process and get to the one accent nail that I will be doing. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to tell you guys the things that you're going to need. You're going to need some alcohol. I use 91%, that's just my preference. You're gonna need a dapping dish to put your alcohol in. You don't need to fill it up all the way, I just fill up a little bit less than half. You're going to need an LED lamp or UV lamp if you're using gel. If you're using regular polish, then may the force be with you in the drying time. Anyway, I use my SensatioNail Pro 360 LED lamp. This thing is old as shit. You see how grimy she is? But anyway, you're gonna need a brush. Any art brush would do, any little thin brush will do. But this is a makeup channel, so I'm gonna use my e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush. This is the brush that I use for some of my nail art. I just had a spare. They're like $3. I don't care. I'm going to be using a white polish. This one's IBD Just Gel and Whipped Cream. I'm gonna be using IBD Lucky Red because I want a sexy red for all over my nails. So here I have two top coats because I'm not sure the finish that I want. I'm gonna do both finishes and kind of test it out. But I have a regular gel polish. This one's from Pro FX. I'm not sure if they still sell this. This is a base and top coat, and I tell you guys all the time that you guys can use this on natural nails as a base coat and a top coat. So this is a shiny base, or this is a shiny top coat, and this is my Clavuz matte top coat. So you're gonna be needing a Bic permanent marker or a Sharpie fine point permanent marker. They're both red. I find that the Sharpie one comes out a lot more coral, kind of orangey, and that the Bic one comes out a lot more red. It does have like a coral undertone, but it definitely holds more of a red tone. It has way more blue base to it, so I'm gonna be using the Bic version. I'm gonna go ahead now and just paint. I'm gonna start with my pinky, of course. I'm gonna paint my nails. This looks like a gorgeous red. And you want to keep it thin layers with this IBD gel polish. So it's okay if it looks really sheer. Just make sure you get around the perimeter of the nail and the free edge because you don't want to not have an even nail. And also make sure you clean around the cuticles. So here I am just painting all of my nails except for my ring finger. I'm going to be doing my accent nail before I cure. Now you're going to go ahead and set all your bottles aside and you're going to cure your gel for a minute. We're going to move on to doing a second coat. Make sure you cure in between layers, so every layer of gel polish that you put on needs to be cured for 30 to 60 seconds. Again, I cure it for 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do next is actually add the clear gel polish on the red nails just to keep them shiny. These are two permanent markers that I have, and I feel like this nail right here came out really coral orange. So I'm gonna try the Sharpie and the Bic together and see what happens because it's not the red that I want. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna take a little bit of alcohol. Like literally. It looks like blood. It looks like blood. I mean, this makes more sense to do this way. This looks nice. This looks like dead ass, like a nice water marble. So I'm gonna go in. It like looks totally different. If you look at it, this looks way orangey. This looks red. So I'm hoping this big one, it looks like it has more of like a blue tone, you know, to it. It does look like it's gonna turn orange. but I'm not really mad at it per se. Like literally just. All right, now I see how people do it. They just add like their drops of water to it. Of course, I've done my other hand already. So I'm going to go in and just draw squigglies wherever I see fit. This one's going to be a lot more thicker. I don't know. I'm going to do something similar to that now. So I'm going to go ahead and add the top coat to it. I just find that once you cure it, it turns a different shade. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, my love, so this is the completed look right here. I actually like it so much. Of course, my right hand is my favorite, which is weird because my right hand is dominant. But anyway, I love the marble look. I opted to not do the glitter on the nails, but nonetheless, I really do love this look. Now, guys, you can do this with a green, which I was thinking about doing it with a green, just to add more flair to the, you know, Christmas type theme, but I wanted to keep it nice and red. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, and everything's linked down in the description. I feel like I have to say that every time, but just check down there. Okay.